Hello everyone, I am Jobert Bimalabad from BPED 3B and I am here again to share my understanding or what I have learned on the video lecture that I have watched that was uploaded by our teacher. So the first learning that I have learned on this lecture is first on the dimensions of diversity or Ledon's diversity wheel. So there is a inner and outer part of the circle. On the inner part of the circle, it is called inner embedded sphere, and in the outer part, it is called simply outer sphere. So in inner embedded sphere, these actually are we cannot control those variables that we cannot control, and it was innate of us. Examples are race, age, gender, and even ethnicity. So in outer circle, it is called also as outer sphere, and those variable are on our education, our income, personal values, and even political beliefs, and even our religion. So that's it for the first learnings. The second learnings that I have learned is on the four principles that explained by Lodens. So in respect, this simply means that treat others what you want to be treated. So like for example, this explains that what you give to others is what also you receive. So that's the second. And the third one is I have learned about inclusion. So in inclusion, that is very interesting because that explains the thoughts of everyone in a group. So regardless of what abilities of everyone in the group, as long as you welcome them to recite their insights in a group. For example, we are doing activity in school, and you want to have a good result of the activities, you might or you need to welcome the insights or the thoughts of others, so that you can brainstorm it, and afterwards you overcome a good activities to succeed, of course. So this time I would also like to share the realization that I have realized in the video lecture. On the video lecture, I have realized that competing is not always a negative attitude for us. It depends on how we do competing. Like in school, it is not bad to compete about grades, because if your purpose is to encourage everyone to learn hard, to study hard, because if they see you are competing, they also encourage to learn better, to compete with you, and that makes competing is good. And on the second part, I have realized that not all our that whether we share similar characteristics, there is always a different, or we always vary. Like for example, in our age, we share with our friends that we are similar in age. For example, we are both 21, and that exactly is not the same with all the aspects. Like his birthday is on September, and my friend's birthday is September, and I'm December. So there is always variedly in aspects. So that's it. Thank you.